Okay, guys, LadyLibertyStacker, I'm back one more time. Today is February 13th, 2018. And yeah, you're looking at two of those Santa Maria nautical coins that I removed from the mint packaging from the previous video that you saw. And you're looking at Dawn dishwashing detergent, the blue mild kind. And want to point out, I just did a video on the hazing that these mint packaging holders can do to these coins if left unchecked. But I'm going to take a moment here and take a look at the comment section and give a nice old shout out to old Corn here, my good buddy Corn. And I'm going to read this to you guys and show you what I did. He said, the last setup ship she held up, the first one in the group, had some damage starting. Go back and look at the video. Well, I could see it as I was doing the video, so thanks, Corn. Yeah, I saw that. You can see it when you turn the coin slightly. You'll need to keep a close eye on the coins as long as they are in that plastic. Otherwise, you should come back in 6 months and find them damaged. Yeah, I didn't want to do that. It was really driving me crazy ever since this whole thing started. Very good information. Taking the coin out of the package doesn't destroy the authenticity of the coin or lower the value. I know people are saying that, but it's simply not true. The coins actually look so much better in the capsules than they do in that cheap PVC plastic. And somebody else asked me to smell the inside. I think it was Silverback Stacker asked me to smell the inside, so I did. And I took a strong whiff. You have to open it up. And you can smell it more on the inside than the outside, guys. Oh my. It kind of reminds me of that plastic smell of toys. Really pungent. It didn't remind me of a bad smell, but if that means it has PVC in it, then you want to get your coins out of there. So I went ahead and cut them open. And I did the method that Meteo Man, M-E-T-E-O Man, recommended. He recommended taking a Q-tip, and I got it wet with lukewarm water and just dabbed a teeny tiny little bit of Dawn dish detergent on the end of the Q-tip. And I took the coin and I just gently eased off, it wasn't on this side, I gently eased off the residue of the coin that was on the coin. And here, you really can't see anything remaining. These were the two that looked like there was some hazing in the package. The rest of this stuff you see on the capsule. Sometimes you have lint and stuff like that, but there is no damage on this at all. And then the front looks absolutely gorgeous. And it's looking there in the front. I don't think I didn't really see anything there. But anyway, I'm just going to keep a close eye on the remaining of my coins, starting with the ships. They're the highest premium, and the ones that seem to have a problem, they came from Atmex, guys. The other ones came from JM Bullion. But yep, this side is fine. And I gently eased off the residue off the coin. Oops, it would help if I turned it right side up. And you can't see anything left. At least I can't see it there. And it's all gone. And all you have to do is, like I say, gently ease it off with a Q-tip. Very gently. You don't want to scratch the coin. And then you rinse, 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 rinse with water. Just rinse real good. And I wore my gloves as I do this. Wore my gloves. And then once the coin was rinsed off, I took it and held it under a blow dryer on lukewarm or the medium setting to dry the coin. I didn't want to dry it with a towel. You could scratch it. So that's what I did. I cleaned my coins. Oh my gosh, did I really say that? But yeah, in this situation, you almost have to. So again, use very mild Dawn dish detergent. And the reason why I use this anytime I have to rinse off a coin or clean a coin for any reason, not cleaning in a bad sense. But This is the kind of dish detergent that they used on those seagulls and birds that were damaged by that oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico. They use this type of Dawn dish detergent. It's the most gentle. So I use that on the coins, rinsed under lukewarm water, and then dried under a medium hair dryer so I wouldn't have to, the water just rolls right off. No water spots or anything. So that's how you clean properly these coins under this situation. So I'm going to keep a close eye on the rest of them. And as soon as I see anything starting, I'll probably take them out. Once my capsules get here, I'll probably take them all out and put them in the capsules. I need peace of mind. I don't need to have nightmares about this, guys. So anyway, that's it as an update. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the little bell for notifications. And make it a great day.